Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve digestion and reduce uncomfortable symptoms, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly to aid digestion and reduce the amount of work your stomach needs to do. Step 2. Increase your fiber intake gradually through whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes to support healthy bowel movements. Step 3. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help your digestive system process food efficiently. Step 4. Eat smaller, more frequent meals instead of 3 large meals to reduce digestive strain and prevent bloating. Step 5. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi to support a healthy gut microbiome. Step 6. Exercise regularly as physical activity helps move food through your digestive tract and reduces constipation. Step 7. Manage stress through relaxation techniques as stress can disrupt digestion and trigger conditions like IBS. Step 8. Identify and avoid foods that trigger digestive issues for you, keeping a food diary to track symptoms and patterns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.